So if I were to tell you no, then what? Because I would like to know.
Then you're going to be arrested for not identifying yourself during a lawful stop.
Christmas Eve, Florida. A routine tag check and a driver who had questions before she had answers. Her registration was criminally expired. Not a sticker oversight. A misdemeanor. That gave the officer every legal right to stop her. What came next was her decision. She had a license. She declined to hand it over until she got an explanation she felt she was owed. Under Florida law, a driver must present their license upon demand during a lawful stop. That is the whole statute.
I'm Officer Cousins, Sarasota Police Department.
Hello, how are you?
What's going on today?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
What are you trying to figure out?
Why you're stopping me? What have I done?
So your registration comes back to be criminally expired.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license and registration on you?
I do, but I would like to know what it is that you stopped me for before you even ran my tags. What have I done?
So I did a routine run on your tag after you followed me nose to nose in my rear, and your tag is criminally expired. So based off your unusual behavior, I did a routine check of your tag, which came back again criminally expired. So do you have your driver's license and registration?
I do, but my problem is that I'd like to know what it is that I did wrong because
You're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired tag.
But you would have to know that, like you would have to run that, so then therefore...
Okay, let me see your driver's license and registration. I'm not going to ask again.
Okay, what I would like to know is what I did wrong before
you are driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration. Let me see your driver's license and registration.
Okay, but I would like to know what I did beforehand, before you were even to run those tags. What is it that
ma'am, driver's license and registration.
Right, but I would like to know...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
So if I were to tell you no, then what? Because I would like to know...
Then you're going to be arrested for not identifying yourself during a lawful stop.
But what is it that you would have to...
Driver's license and registration.
What is it that you would have to stop me for the lawful stop?
Because you're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. Before you even ran my tags.
I don't have to have a reason to run your tag.
Okay. You sure about that?
100% sure, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a routine run.
Okay. Even though I didn't do anything wrong, right?
Ma'am, you're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. I'd like to know before you ran my tags.
Driver's license and registration,
I'd like to know before you ran...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
All right. So I'd like to know before you ran my tags, right?
Okay, I'm going to ask one more time. I'm going to ask one more time.
No, I'm getting my stuff together.
Grab it, please.
Right, and I'm getting my stuff together. But I'd like to know...
Okay, I will be happy to explain anything else that you would like as soon as I get your driver's license and registration.
Okay. But you have no reason why to stop me beforehand, right?
Again, I will be happy to explain
I'd like you to...
No.
I asked you a question. Right, I'm getting my stuff together. Multiple opportunities to get your driver's license and registration. I am asking you one last time.
And I'm getting that together right now.
Out of this vehicle. So I am getting my stuff together right now, but I'd like to know beforehand, before you even ran my tags, there was nothing that I did wrong, right?
Driver's license, please.
No, you're going to answer that question. All right. So therefore, you don't want to answer that question?
Okay, let's grab our driver's license.
Right,
please.
you don't want to answer that question. So beforehand, there was nothing that I did wrong. All right.
Issue one.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
Officers
No,
may
I'm
run
not
any
feeling
plate
to identify myself.
at any time.
I'm identifying myself
any
right
reason
now.
or no
Now,
reason
what
at
I
all.
would like...
The stop was lawful the moment the tag returned criminally expired. Nothing she said before that changed it. Issue 2, the identification. She kept asking what she did wrong. The officer kept asking for her license. Neither was answering the other's question. What she says next will matter later.
All right.
Okay, are you refusing to identify yourself?
I'm sorry. No, I'm not failing to identify myself. I am identifying myself right now. Now, what I would like to know is...
You're not identifying yourself. Driver's license.
Right, and I am. So
driver's
therefore...
license, or we're going to step out of this vehicle. So
right, and we
license.
can step out of this vehicle. Now, what I would like to know is... Okay.
Let's step out of the vehicle.
All right.
Let's step out of the vehicle.
Can I please have some space to step out of the vehicle?
Okay.
All right.
Be my guest, ma'am.
Thank you. May I please have some space? May I please
step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, I am not... Okay. I'm... Okay.
We're gonna step out of the vehicle.
Okay, please. Can I? Okay, because I have this right here in my.
Perfect.
Okay, thank you. All right. May I please get my? May I?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Thank you. You're gonna be detained for not providing your identification.
I want to provide.
I provided you ample opportunity to do so.
I want to provide, and I have video right here. I want to provide my identification. Okay. That's fine. May I please provide identification to you? No? Okay. I cannot provide it. Even though I was trying to get my identification.
We're going to stand over here.
Okay.
Face the vehicle.
Sure.
Okay.
I want to provide my identification to you.
Okay, I asked you multiple times.
Yeah, and I was trying to get that for you.
You were not.
I was digging in my wallet to identify myself, but okay, sure. Okay. Whatever you need to do in order to, I guess, go about your day.
Hey, she has a currently expired registration. She was refusing
I literally tried to get identification, and she did not allow me to. She did not allow me to.
Okay. Are you gonna provide me your name?
No, because I tried to provide. No, I tried to. No,
I gave you ample opportunity.
I tried to provide her my identification. No. I have my identification. I will provide you it. No, she's not trying to do that.
If she's not willing to give it to you, she can go to jail.
No, I tried to provide it for her.
No, you did not.
My friend, I tried to provide identification for you. It's my friend. I have identification.
We're not IDing ourselves. You're refusing to give identification.
I am not. But if that's what you want to take, I have my friend right there, and I have them on the phone. And if that's what the take you want to take, I have my phone right there too. Okay. If that's the take you want to take, then by all means take it.
That's fine.
Yep. I try to provide identification. You want to take that take too? Listen, I tried.
No,
don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Mira, no le diga, mira, no ponga atención a lo que te están diciendo. No le ponga atención. No le ponga atención porque no estoy diciendo lo que están diciendo.
Okay, do you have anyone that can pick up this car for you? Otherwise it's going to
right there. Right there.
That is a single driver.
Okay, he can get other people.
Sounds like a great idea.
Okay, so we're going to get the vehicle towed. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, prod me, or anything?
Pablo!
Hey, do you have anything that can stick me, poke me, prod me on you?
When I try to provide identification, you're going to take me to jail?
Okay. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me,
No,
poke
but
me,
what I want to
me?
know is you're going to try to take me, you're taking me to jail when I try to provide identification?
You did not.
I did. I have it on video.
Okay.
And you know I did. I was digging in my wallet. Pablo, me van a llevar a la... Pablo, que no me lleven el carro, por favor. May I please provide identification when I try to give you identification?
We tried.
Pablo, coge mi teléfono. Pablo, coge mi teléfono porque está todo ahí. Le traté de dar mi ID y me están llevando a la cárcel. Pablo, le traté de dar todo y me están llevando a la policía. O sea, no sé lo que está pasando.
Alright, we're gonna kick our shoe off one at a time. Hey,
sir,
ma'am.
May I please
have stand this way. Stand this way. Stand this way. Take this shoe off and kick your foot back. Take this shoe off and let's kick our foot back.
Ma'am, I tried to give you identification. Okay, why are you doing this?
I'm going to ask you again.
Okay, I'm going to ask you again too. Why are you doing this? Is it for numbers because it's the end of the year? Is that why?
I don't have numbers. Can you take your shoe off, please?
No, you're one of those.
We're going to leave the car. Kick your foot back.
I'm not doing shit because I haven't done shit. Oh my goodness. Pablo, pero no he hecho nada. Can he take my car? Like, I haven't done anything. I tried to give her identification.
Take the shoe off.
She's on a power trip. How are none of you listening to this? When I try to give her my identification, it's on video. I have a video of it.
Let's slip our shoes on like sandals.
Pero no he hecho nada.
Either put your shoes on or we're going barefoot.
Ma'am, I tried to give you my identification. Like, why are you doing this? I don't understand. Like, I have given you my identification.
Alright, we're gonna go in the back of my car.
9 minutes. The same request. Repeated. The same refusal. Repeated. Every loop added an element to a charge she had not been told about yet. Issue 3. Obstruction. Under Florida Statute 843.02, obstruction without violence does not require physical resistance. Deliberate. Repeated refusal to comply with a lawful command on its own satisfies the statute. She did not resist physically. She documented herself doing everything else. On camera, for 9 minutes, she was handcuffed at the roadside. She kept talking. She mentioned she had video. She was right, and it belonged to the prosecution. Issue 4, the inventory search. She objected to officers going through her belongings. Once under arrest, consent is not required. The search was lawful. A medical marijuana card was found. The DUI charge that appeared in the outcome suggests the stop uncovered more than an expired tag.
You really want to do this when I tried to give you my identification? You must be new.
I gave you ample opportunity.
No, you must be new. You must be new. You must be new. You look new.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Lean
look
back so I can
new.
get your seatbelt on.
For what?
Lean back so I can get your seatbelt on.
For what? Exactly. For what? For what? You want to identification? Be real. Be fun. Can he take my car? Can I at least? Do I really have to go to jail when I was trying to give you identification?
Would you like your phone or anything to go with you to the jail?
Please, but I don't want to go to jail. Like, I haven't done anything.
Okay, what do you want to go with you to the jail?
So I'm going to jail?
I'm not going to ask one more time. Either tell me or we're going to go without any belongings.
What have I done?
So, you don't want anything to go with you to jail?
I want my phone. Can I have my wallet go to him? But like...
Nope, it's going to get towed with the vehicle. We're not giving anything to him. So again, would you like your wallet to go with you to the jail as well? Or just your phone?
My wallet can go too, but what did I do wrong when I was trying to give you... So what about my car? Where can I get my car from?
It's going to get towed to Upman's Towing. It's on 301 and 12th Street. Can you give me a light?
Sir? Sir?
I'm pretty sure that's a...
May I please speak to him before I go to jail?
Yeah.
Sir? May I please speak to him before I go to jail? I haven't done anything wrong.
I already answered that.
But I haven't... Why are you searching through my stuff?
It's going with you to the jail, and anything that goes in my vehicle has to get searched.
So I asked you if he... No. So then therefore, can he have it? Because I what? Can he have it? I really do not appreciate you going through my stuff. Okay, well, I'm asking you if he can have it. I don't want you going through my stuff.
Okay, so again, I gave you the option. We went
Okay,
back and
but
forth.
you did not give me the option of you going through my stuff. I did not know that. So then therefore, can he have it? Can he have my stuff? I do not want you going through my stuff. I did not give you right to go through my stuff. So therefore, can he have my stuff so you do not go through my stuff? Can I have a sergeant out here, please?
If you would like a sergeant.
Yes. May I have a sergeant out here, please?
Sure.
Mayor, whoever you need to get out here, but anyone, no. Like, you're still going through my stuff when I've asked you to please give it to him.
You're getting
No. I need you to either call Mayor or Sergeant. You're going through my stuff at this point. I do not want you to go through my stuff. I did not ask for that.
Okay, so
No,
you're
no, no,
getting
no, no.
arrested, your stuff is gonna get checked one way or another.
That's okay, but I did not ask you to go through my stuff. You did not ask to go through my stuff either. So therefore, may Mayor or Sergeant come here because you are going through my stuff now. I am not okay with that. I did not consent for you to go through my stuff.
She wants the mayor.
I did not consent for you to go through my stuff. I did not consent for you to go through my stuff.
Okay, that's completely
You are
fine
going
then.
through my stuff and now you are taking pictures when I have asked you to not go through my stuff.
Of your ID that you failed to provide. Yeah.
No, that is not my ID at all.
Well, it's a medical marijuana.
You
card
are
that has your
not,
picture
that
on
is
it
not
and
my
your name,
ID
so-
though. That is not my
good.
ID at
That's
all.
fine.
So therefore, you have taken things from me and you have taken things like, no.
It's called search intent to arrest.
No, I did not consent to that.
You don't have to under arrest.
But I'm under arrest for obstruction. Like I did not do
Still under-
anything,
you're
and
still
they're
under arrest.
yeah, but they are literally arresting me for something that I did not do. I'm not an obstruction to anything. I did not obstruct to any kind of information. I tried to give her my
Alright, just hang
information.
tight. Alright, the sergeant's gonna meet you down at the jail, okay?
No. Why is the lieutenant meeting me downtown when he can meet me right there?
So again, that's not up to you. And the sergeant is going to meet you down at the jail.
There's no reason why. There's not even anything going on in downtown. Oh my god. That's why you sat here and you did this tonight. Is you don't got shit going on tonight. That's sad. Fuck me. Come on now.
She was charged with DUI and obstruction without violence. Bond posted December 30th. Plea of not guilty. The case is pending. The body cam footage, however, is not grades. The officer gets an A. She ran a legal check, made a lawful stop, repeated a simple, lawful request with patience most officers would not sustain for 9 minutes. Under Graham versus Connor. Officer conduct is judged on facts known in the moment, not in hindsight. Every step here holds up. The subject gets a D. She had her license. She declined to produce it. She spent 9 minutes explaining her theory of the law to the officer enforcing it. Under Florida Statute 843.02. Each refusal she made added an element to the obstruction count. She supplied all of them herself. Lesson: a traffic stop is not a negotiation. The license goes first. Questions come after, ideally through an attorney. She had the right to remain silent. She declined that too. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be on the obstruction count? We will see you in the next one.